Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the flavors of my fiery cumin infused pork skewers. Ready to spice things up? Let's dive right in. First, grab some lean pork and slice it thinly. Toss it into a bowl. Now, let's amp up the flavor. Add cumin powder, chili powder, starch, a splash of vegetable oil, mushroom powder, a touch of water, and light soy sauce. Mix it all up and let it dance for a cozy 20-minute marinade. For an extra kick, toss in chopped green onions and sprinkle in those white sesame seeds. Now, shred those flavorful pork slices onto toothpicks. Time to work some air fryer magic. Set it to 200 degrees Celsius and let it go for 15 minutes. And there you have it, our fiery cumin infused pork skewers are ready to rock your taste buds. Give this recipe a shot and drop me a comment on how it turned out. Thanks a bunch for tuning in and catch you in the next one.